Hello, today we are going to do the power rule. The steps of finding the derivatives is right in front of us, as well as the formula. So the formula, all it's really telling us to do is to bring down the power, aka our exponent, and multiply it by the function. And then we are going, or the equation, and then we're going to subtract 1 from the exponent, okay? So we have some examples with fractions, so I wanted to show you how that is done. Okay, so we have y equals 3x to the 5/4. So I'm going to take that exponent, 5/4, and multiply it by 3. Okay, going to bring it down and multiply it by 3. And then we're going to subtract 1 from our exponent. So we're going to do 4/4 because 4/4 equals 1, right? So 5 minus 4 equals 1. And you're going to keep the denominator the same, which is 4. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then you're going to keep that at 4. And then x to the 1/4. So that is our answer. Okay. All right, let's do number 6. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take that 2/3 and multiply it with our equation. And we're going to subtract 1 from 2/3. Another way to write 1 is 3/3, because 3/3 equals 1, right? So we're going to do minus 3/3. So 2 minus 3 is -1, and that's b/3. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 4 is 12. And now we have x -1/3. Now, we can simplify this. We can make that exponent a positive. And to make that exponent a positive, we're going to bring it down to the denominator. So I'm going to just show you what it will look like simplified. So 2 goes into 10 and 12. So that will get us 5/6, right? Because I'm dividing this by 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then x to the 1/3 would be in the denominator. Okay, yeah, so this would be our answer. Okay. And all right, let's do number 7. All right, so I'm going to multiply -5. I'm going to bring it down and multiply it by the -4. And then I'm going to subtract 1 from -5, which will give me -6. -5 times -4 is 20, and this would be x to the -6. If you want to write it properly where you don't have a negative as a exponent, you can just write it like this. Okay, that will be the answer. All right. All right, next one. Ooh, this looks pretty tricky here. What are we going to do? So what I'll do is I'm going to change this to where it's not a fraction. So I'm going to rewrite this as this 3x to the negative 3. Okay? That way it's easy for me to use the power rule, you know, as far as bringing down the exponent and multiplying it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that negative 3 down and multiply it by 3. Let me use another color. So it's going to look like this. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract 1 from negative 3, which is negative 4. So negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And then you have x to the negative 4. So these are the answers. I'm going to check to see if I am right. Okay, because child. Yeah. Sit with me so I can look for the answers and make sure that they are correct. But in the meantime, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will truly appreciate that. Okay, so let's look for, let's see what we got here. Oh, so I'm going to rewrite number 8, okay? So, yeah. We got it. We got it. We got it. So I'm going to just rewrite number 8 properly. We'll say negative 9, and then we'll bring x, just so that we don't have a negative exponent. So it'll be negative 9 over x to the 4th power. Okay, so this is another way. Here I'm just going to extend my line. That way you know that this is underneath the fraction line. And that's it, and that's all. Those are the answers. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you, and have a good day.